Hi, Namaste. A very warm welcome to you one and all to today's session. Our learning talk on assessment of forms. Under assessment of form for 15 marks question regarding computation of total income of firm. So here look at the question. This question is arised in 2017 question paper VSKD 2017 VSKUB 2017 question paper. So here X, Y, Z are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1 respectively. Here 3 partners, but Z is a non-working partner. So X and Y are working partners. And then the rest of the question, the following is the profit and loss account for the year ending 31st 2009. Here general expense is given. So if there is any adjustment given regarding general expenses, look at this. Adjustment number 1. General expense include rupees 2000 paid to purchase of furniture. It is capital expenditure. So capital expenditure is treated as a disallowable expenses. Okay, so 2000 is to be considered as disallowable. Out of 36,000, 2000 only considered as disallowable. 36,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮಾತ್ರ 36,000 ಜನರಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ 2,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸಲಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ P&L ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು. ರೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಝೆಡ್ 24,000. So rent to Z 24,000. So 24,000 is given. 24,000 rent paid to Z. So here salary is salary, bonus, commission, remuneration. If these items any paid to partner, those expenses to be treated as disallowable, but here rent is paid to Z, so it's not comes under disallowable expenses. So rent to Z, ignore it, ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನು. ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ, ಕಮಿಷನ್, ರೆಮ್ಯುನರೇಷನ್, ಬೋನಸ್, ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ನಾನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಬೋನಸ್ಸು, ಕಮಿಷನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಝೆಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 60,000, X ಮತ್ತು Y. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಸಲೋಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ is given, but it exceeds 12%. 2% exceeds. So 2/14. 2,800 into 2/14. 5,600 into 2/14. 7,000 into 2/14. Next, income tax is to be treated as disallowable. Depreciation is given in adjustment, then only it is disallowable, otherwise it should not be treated as disallowable. Adjustment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋದು ಡಿಸಲಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೇಲೆ ಇಫ್ ದ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು P&L ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ depreciation, at the time the depreciation should not be treated as disallowable. When adjustment not given, adjustment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇದು ಡಿಸಲಬಲ್. ಇದು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಡಿಸಲಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು ಡಿಸಲಬಲ್, ಇದು ಅಲೋಬಲ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಫ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸಲಬಲ್, ಇದು ಡಿಸಲಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ 16,200 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10,800 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5,400. ದೀಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 17 plus 27 plus 5,400. The total balance will be 32,400. Net profit 32,400. This is total. 2 lakh is total. Next, look at the P&L account on credit side. So gross profit do not taken into consideration. Interest on government securities, it is taxable under other sources. before going to charge under the head of other sources, but first put under income from business of firm, I mean non-business income. It means say that net profit as per P&L account had disallowable expenses, less allowable expenses, less incomes not taxable in business head. So first transferred under incomes not taxable business head, under business income and under income from business or profession. After it's transferred, it should be transferred under the head of other sources. Okay, so both side is over. First adjustment is already as I have said already 2000 disallowable, 2000 rupees disallowable. Depreciation is given in adjustment, it is transferred under the head allowable expenses. So compute total income of the firm for the assessment year 2019-20. This is question arised in USKV 2018. First take down the question. Question number 4. Take down the screenshot, then follow the video. I'm going to solve this question on whiteboard. Whiteboard solve then first question on the board. As I said before, VSKV 2017 question paper for 15 marks. Now I am going to solve this on whiteboard. Look at this. VSKV 2017 total income of firm for the assessment year 1920. Okay, particulars rupees. Under income from total income of firm includes house property, business or profession, capital gains and other sources. Here salary doesn't comes because any salary paid to working partner or non-working partner is purely disallowable under section 184. So that's why it should not be considered salary head. First head here, income from house property. Income from house property here not given on the credit side of P&L account. HP house property nil. Second head, income from business or profession in short form. Okay, under this first we have to take net profit as per profit and loss in short form P&L account. So here 30 to 400 given in question. Next had disallowable expenses, which are debited to P&L account, those are not belongs to business. So here disallowable expenses are one by one. Purchase of furniture. Amount was 2000. Adjustment, first adjustment, given in first adjustment, including, general expense includes 2000 rupees for purchase of furniture. It is capital expenditure, so disallowable. Next, here three partners X, Y, Z, but here in this question Z is a non-working partner, but rest of the people means X, Y are working partners. Salary to X, salary to Y. So salary to X 20. Next 40,000. Next salary is over. Next interest on capital. interest on capital is 14% is given. So as per the section 184, interest on loan and interest, as per section 40 subsection B of IT Act 1961, interest on loan and interest on capital should not exceed at the rate of 12%. Here 14% is given. So first X, Y, Z. So X amount, Y amount, Z amount. Here 2800 into 2 by 14. 5600 2 by 14. 7000 2 by 14. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. 400. Next, okay, yeah. 5600 actually this was. 2 by 14. 2 ones. Okay, 7200, 7000 into 2 by 14, 1000. Okay, next is income tax is given. Income tax 15,000. 15. Next, depreciation 8,200. Okay, these are the amounts. Make these totals. Make these totals. The balance will be 1 lakh. This amount to 2 plus 2000 plus 24, 20,000 plus 40,000 plus 400, 800 plus 1000 plus 15,000 plus 8,200. Total will be 87,400. 32,400 plus 87,500 as per add this 87,400. Balance will be 1,90,800. Next step, less allowable expenses. Less allowable expenses. Less allowable expenses. Continued part here. Depreciation as per IT rule. As per rule. RELE rule. So adjustment number 2, 9,000 is given. So here 1,19,800. 1,20,800 minus 9,000. So balance will be 1,10,800. Next head, less incomes not taxable under business head ORR non-business incomes. So here interest on government securities. Interest on government securities, only one item is given, so 20,000. Only one item given in the question. So balance will be 90,800. So this is called income from, taxable. Sorry, this is called book profit. Next, after ascertaining the book profit, next step, less allowable under section 40 subsection B. First, on first rupees 3 lakh, and 3 lakh of book profit, book on first ON on book profit at 90%. So here book profit is less than 3 lakh. So directly made on make on 90% on 90,800. So 90,800 into 90 equal to 100. After ascertaining book profit, allow under section 40 section B on first rupees 3 lakh here, not more than 3 lakh, so less than 3 lakh book profit we got. So here book 90% is to be instead made on 90,800 instead of 3 lakh, because the 3 lakh is not got in this case. So 90,000 into 90,800 into 90 to 100, the amount will be 81,720. So under this case, minimum limit is 1,50,000. So in this between, whichever is higher, so in this between whichever is 1,50,000, ORR. Next, salary or commission or bonus, pay bonus to working partners. Here two working partners X and Y. So here only salary is given, X and Y. Look at this, we have already debited to, which are debited to P&L account. Then we added back to net profit under disallowed expenses. Then here transferred over here. So working partner salary only is given, commission not given, bonus not given, only salary to X, salary to Y is given. So 20,000 plus 40,000, 60,000. So 1,50,000 then 60,000. Iveradalli whichever is lower ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 1,50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ. 1,50,000 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಚವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಬೋನಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಿಚವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ವಿಚವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೋಯರ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಬೋನಸ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಚವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೋಯರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಯರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು 60,000. ಸೊ 60,000 90,800 60,000 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 30,800. So 30,800 is to be treated as income from business of firm. Income from business of firm. I have completed two heads calculation. I have completed two heads of calculation. First one, income from house property nil. This is the income from business from here to here. So 30,800 is the income from ORR taxable business from income from business or profession. Next, third part is here. After finding income from business, next third head, third Roman, income from capital gains is not given in the question. If the items are usually given, then on the credit side of P&L account, where the income from capital gain items are usually appeared, credit side of P&L account. ಈ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ P&L ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಐಟಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ income from other sources. So amount was 20,000. So only one item is given, so total will be 20,000. So income from OS, income from other sources. ಇವು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so outer column here 30,800 plus nil plus 20,000. The total will be GTI 50,800 is gross total income. Gross total income. Next, look at the question. There was no deductions under section 80C and 80U. Section 86 to 80U. No deductions. So put nil. So balance will be 50,800 is total income. Total income of firm This is 15 marks question.